Good morning, children. All are fine. Okay. Today we are going to see the remaining partake of the lesson 3. Which lesson we studied? Which topic we studied, children? From gathering to growing food. Part 2 we are going to see now. Lesson 3. In this part 1 we saw how the earliest people, then the agricultures, how the domestication of the animals, and the development of new way of life. About the Neolithic age of the tools and their shelters also we studied. Yes, we study about the Neolithic shelter also. Today we are going to see about the invention of the wheel. See, children, in this picture how they invented the wheel. First is roller. Yes, they kept one things upon the wood. It's moved from one place to another place. Yes, then they make as a sledge. Then they make the sledge on a roller, and which has become glued with use, and they done the wheels and axle in one piece by fixed by the fix. Yes, then another one wheels joined to the axle fixed into crude bearing. This method they are invented the wheel. The oldest sample of the wheel discovered by the archaeologist is one of the discovered in Mesopotamia. It probably dates back to the 3000 BC. So they created this wheel by joining the flags of wood together so that it could work as a roller, as a sledge. Yes. Then later the roller took the place of the axle with the disc of woods attached at the each end. This discover serves as a wheels. When the wheels turned, the axle turned into the space between the pegs. The first wooden cart was made this method. Sorry. The Neolithic age is sometimes referred to as Neolithic revolutions because of the invention of the potter's wheel. The knowledge of the wheel gave a head start to the social practice of the earliest people because it brought us 3 ways. From the wheel they are developed 3 ways. That wheel only they a potters அந்த சக்கரத்தை வச்சு என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, ஃபஸ்ட்டு வண்டி க்ரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து ஒரு இடத்துக்கு டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணுறதுக்காண்டி என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, ஒரு வண்டியை உருவாக்கியிருக்காங்க. எப்படி உருவாக்குனாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட் உள்ள பிக்சரில் பார்த்தோம். அப்படி தானே? இப்போ அதே வீலை கொண்டு என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, பானை செய்கிறாங்க. மனுஷனுடைய படிப்படியாக அவங்களுடைய நாலேஜ்கள் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆக ஆக என்ன செஞ்சாங்க, ஒன்று ஒன்றா கண்டுபிடிக்க ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. ஸோ தி earthen potters were made with this wheel. Why they are created the potters? Because they are done agriculture in that period. They don't have any houses. So they thought, if we make a potter, we can store the grains. Later we can take that grains and we can cook. Yes. So they are created a pot. What purpose they are created this pot? For cooking purpose also and to store the grains also. ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, பானையில் தான் சோறு பொங்கி சாப்பிட்ருக்காங்க. மண் பானையில் சாப்பிட்டு பாருங்கள், ரொம்ப டேஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும். You say to your mother, okay, you cook and eat with this pot, the rice will be very tasty. But in the later period, they cook at this pot only. And this wheel is used to weave the cloths. Different types of materials including cotton also they make as a cloth. And in the Neolithic period, they used this wheel to transport materials from one place to another place. So this changes, this advances is uniformly in all the places. So these various groups, a span of 1000 years to adopt this change. 1000 வருடம் கணக்கா என்ன செஞ்சு ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் அவங்களுடைய வாழ்க்கையில எல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுச்சு. Can you understand now? Some groups, they remain as hunter and gatherers, and they started leading a settled places. In some peoples, some area, they picked up the practice of the different activities in different season. ஒவ்வொரு சீசன் கேட்டால அவங்கவுங்க அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் அவங்களுடைய வாழ்க்கை தரங்கள் எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன செஞ்சாங்களா மாற்றி அமைச்சாங்க. Okay, now we are going to see about the finding out about the first farmer and herders through archaeology. Migra is located in the fertile plains near the most popular Asian routes to Iran called Bolan Pass. Let us try to understand how the scholars found out certain informations. Okay, when archaeologists start digging up the area, they saw several layers in the earth's surface. This layer towards the surface is considered as a later stage. It is so because level of the earth's surface, people keep throwing the waste material around the area of habitations. After sometimes they build the new buildings, houses, they are constructed in the same period, same area. The oldest level of the ground or mound has been excavated would be lowest. While digging the site, the archaeologists found remains of the animals. Deer, pig, latest, earliest level pig, sheep, goat, all is a later level, and cattle are still later levels. அவங்க வந்து என்ன செஞ்சாங்களா ஃபஸ்ட்டு எல்லா கழிவுகள் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க பூமியில் தோண்டி தோண்டி போட்டிருக்கதை ஆர்கியாலஜிஸ்ட் புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டாங்க. பிறகு அவங்க வீடு கட்ட தொடங்கினாங்க. கொஞ்சம் நல்ல வீடு கட்டவும் பெரிய பெரிய பில்டிங் கட்ட ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது அவங்க தோண்டும் போது பழைய மிருகங்களுடைய எலும்புக்கள், பழைய என்ன சொல்ல பன்னி, ஆடு, மாடு எல்லாமே அதுக்குள்ளே புதைக்கப்பட்டு இருக்கதை என்ன செஞ்சாங்களாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. Migra, a small village of farmers and herders, had an area 7 to 10 acres. 10 ஏக்கர் போல் அங்கே என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க விவசாயிகளும் ஆடு மாடு வளர்க்குறவங்களும் இருந்திருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிறத அந்த தோன்ற மூலமாக அந்த ஆர்கியாலஜிஸ்ட் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. Dwelling and compartment buildings, apparently granars were found. Storage facility of this type began in this period, and agriculture is increased. The number of is increased. The developing a simple mud brick. அவங்க எப்படி செஞ்சிருக்காங்களா மட் பிரிக்னு என்னது மண்ணு செங்கல், மண்ணால் செய்யப்பட்டதான செங்கலால் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க அதெல்லாம் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க ரூமு அப்படின்னு என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க கெட்டியிருக்காங்க. ஜஸ்ட் ஓப்பனாகவே இருந்திருக்கு. அப்படியே உங்க மண்ணாலேயே செங்கலாக அமைச்சு என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க. Ovens and hearths were usually found in this corner of the rooms and reflected in the trace of smoke on the flatter walls. A small amount of pottery have been found here, and they use polished axes, chisels have been found. Tools made of stone, அவங்க வந்து அந்த கல்லால் செய்யப்பட்டதான கோடாரி அப்படிலாம் ஷார்ப்பான பொருட்கள் எல்லாமே அந்த ஸ்டோனால் செய்யப்பட்டது என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க இந்த இடத்துல தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. There seems to have been a rich bone in this Industrian Mehrai, and two highly polished bone pendants with round proportions have been found, and they found dominated plant was barley. இந்த இடத்துல என்னதான் வளர்ந்துருக்கு? barley, wheat அப்படிலாம் வளைஞ்சிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன செஞ்சிருக்காங்க? கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க மெக்ராயில். சரியா? Several burial sites have been found at Megrai. In one instant, a dead person was buried with goats, which were probably meant to serve as a food in next world. The site of Dojali Harding is located on the hills of Karbi near the Brahmaputra Valley. The site is located near the routes of China and Myanmar. From this site, we can find number of artifacts and tools. Here, main crop, what is that? Rice. And they used tools, fossil foods. It is in China. A stone imported from the China. And they found pottery technique in these places. Dojali. With the code impression, pottery, and near the plain fine red warriors there. Okay, children, we have finished the third chapter. We have learned about the Neolithic cultures. Yes, children, now you turn the page 30. Tick the correct answer. First one is C. Third one is C. Second also C. Yes. Second, third, three. First, second, third, all C only will come. You took that correct answer. Now, true or false? Millets have been found at Chiran. False. Is found on Megrai. Okay. Second one is true. Third one is false. Fourth is true. Fifth is true. Write neatly, children. Complete the sentence. Lentils. Uttar Pradesh. 4 to 6. Food processing. Dog, sheep, goat, cattle, poultry, etc. Write neatly, children. Okay, all of you take your classwork note. That day we wrote, answer the following questions in brief. Yes, today we are going to write the answer the following questions in detail. Okay, first question. List 3 ways in which lives of farmers and herders would have been different from that of hunters gatherers. Hunter-gatherers used to gather food items like fruits, honey, etc. from the natural surroundings, whereas the farmers and herders started sowing seeds and growing crops. Hunters and gatherers were nomads, and hence they used to wander from one place. Children, today you write your date, day. You continuously write, okay? Just you leave the 2 lines and write this heading and write it. I will give the time for you. Write neatly, children. Yeah, write neatly. From place to another in search of shelters, whereas the farmers started down by building houses. Third ways, the farmers and herders started domesticating animals, whereas the hunter gatherers used to hunt animals for a living. Children, you you think it's a big question? Not a big question. It is a small question only. If you learn as a story, okay. If you understand these words, you can write very easily in the test. Okay. How did the invention of the potter's wheel change the life of the early people? The earthen pots were made with the wheel, which were used to store the grains and later also to cook food. Yes, and used for weaving cloths. You can transport materials from one place to another place. Now, third question. Third question is little big in the book, so I gave the another question. While you come to the school, I write in the third questions that one in what is in our book. Okay, I will teach again that question about that questions in the class. So now you write these questions. Okay. Write it fast, children. Write neatly also. Have you completed your classwork and homework? Previous lessons completed. Very good. Deveda, you want to send your homework to the wall from through the WhatsApp? Yeah, we are marking every day. So you have to send. Okay, children. Now check your homework note. Balance. Previous question balance. Remaining answer is here. The tools help to clear forest and prepare fields to cultivations and also hunt wild animals. That you finish after you take your homework note. Okay. Study and write one time. But answer the following. I gave only 2 questions. If you study 2 questions, it's useful for you. Okay. What question you want to study? Which question, children? Which animals were the first to be tamed by the early man? Second question. What were the features of the Neolithic tools? Write it. Submit that itself, that day itself. Okay. Your answer. You want to study and write. Okay. Don't see and write. Study. Close your note and write after. Okay. Okay, have you finished your classwork and homework written? Yes. Okay, children. We'll meet with next lesson, next video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.